Hey there, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. I only have a minute because I have to run and pick up my stepson. He's in the Marines and he's going to be in town for a short period of time, and I don't want to miss him. So anyway, I've got kind of an easy one for you here. Infusystems, okay? Healthcare sector, we like this. Close to the 50-day moving average. So you can see that it's formed kind of the left side of the base. Now we want to see it forming the bottom, which is what it's starting to do here. And then you could very well see it start to climb up here and form the right side of a base and then ultimately challenge 20 again. So this is, frankly, this is your trade right now. It's pretty cut and dried. You'd keep a stop just a little bit below the 50-day moving average. That way, the only time you'd get stopped out is if the stock falls below last week's intra-week low, below the 50-day moving average down to here, which negates the idea that this is forming a base at the 50 and it's going to spring higher. So this is your exit right here, which gives you a very small amount of risk. This is your risk in the box here, and what you're looking for is this kind of move to the upside. So members, I talk about entries in tonight's video. I go into great length, and so make sure you're taking notes if you're having problems with your entries. This is not the perfect entry here because this is kind of steep, but I think it's definitely worth tracking. If this can hold a few more days here, maybe a week right where it is, this could give you a real nice opportunity to go long. So anyway, that's it. If you have not tried Stock Market Mentor, the first 30 days are on me, and I do focus on three things in all of my trading, all of my content at SMM. Number one, to keep you out of trouble. That's my deal. Number two, to help you make money. If I'm not helping you make money, what do you need me for? You can lose money on your own. And then the third thing is to teach you how to become more self-sufficient in trading yourself so you don't need me. Okay, that's the best. I like, shall we just say, I like to work myself into obsolescence by teaching you what you need to know. So check it out. I'll see you guys later.